How to fix mouse lag and stutter in Windows 11. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to fix laggy and stuttering mouse on Windows 11. So now without further ado, let's get started. So first, click on the search bar down at the bottom and type Control Panel and hit enter. And once it's open, simply click on the search bar and simply search for mouse. And on the search result, simply click on mouse. And this will bring up the mouse properties window. Now here, simply head over to the pointer option tab, and here you can adjust your pointer speed. If it feels sluggish, you can try turning it up a bit. You will also see an option for enhanced pointer precision. So try toggling this on or off. Sometimes that setting alone can smooth things out quite a bit. And once you have made those changes, simply hit apply and then OK. And if things still feel off, you can try another settings. So simply open up your search bar again and type in settings and simply open the settings, and from here simply go to the accessibility and then click on visual effects, and here you'll see an option for animation effects. So go ahead and turn that off, and disabling animation can improve system responsiveness, especially with pointer performance. And if none of that works, you can try plugging your mouse into a different USB port. If you're using a USB hub, it might help to switch to a USB 2.0 dock or plug the mouse directly into your PC. And that's it. That's a few ways to smooth out a laggy mouse. With this, if you found this video helpful, then don't forget to like, share and subscribe to get updated for more videos. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.